A human face appeared on the trunk in front of them, breathing slowly. Moss turned into blood-sucking creatures. Bacteria became visible. Everyday weapons. Fireflies make the forest a no-go zone at night. This is the world of a science fiction movie, a perfect blend of utopian narrative and Lovecraftian storytelling. The story takes place in the year 2050. In order to address the rapid deterioration of the planet's ecosystems, mankind has begun to invest heavily in genetic engineering. But instead of salvation, the result is a global mutation of flora and fauna. The rich hide in fortified cities called castles to survive, and the poor are left to eke out a living in the barren wilderness. Emma is a little girl living in the world of the poor. At this time, she is foraging for food in the swamp. After careful searching, she found a huge mutant potato and put it into her bag. Just then, she stumbles upon a new species, a brightly colored caterpillar. Such a rare creature, she was determined to bring it back for study. Through the jungle that reeked of decay, she hurried home. The small wild plants growing outside her door were commonplace. After all, mutated flora and fauna had become the norm. She crushed the potatoes, squeezed out the juice, and poured it into a small bag. Finally, she went into her father's room and gave him fluids. Her father had been paralyzed for years. Although he was in a vegetative state, his brain was connected to a floating machine, which meant that Emma could communicate with him whenever and wherever she wanted. Emma then arrives at a cold, damp laboratory with all sorts of strange creatures growing on its walls. She opens a sealed chamber filled with scientific instruments, places the caterpillar in a jar, and begins her research, trying to understand how the little thing survived. Suddenly, there is a loud bang from outside. Curious, Emma leaves the lab to investigate. She quietly hides nearby and observes. A group of scavengers known as the Pilgrims pass by. The scene brings back memories of her mother. After being poisoned, her mother joined the Pilgrims, logically, but never returned.